Headlights came in just in time. Put the headlights on. Need to put the brackets. Wood fender there. New bumper. I ordered 3 brackets by accident. Alright, so I got the brackets. Been in my storage for quite a while. This is the passenger side part number. And the driver's side part number. Just put these on. So as you can see, it's broken here. It's only held on by, I think, two bolts. It's pretty rusted, so I'm gonna just use a Phillips. This one's out. It's only, oh, this is what I ordered, brand new, never mind. This should pop out. Yep, just like that. So one headlight is in. We got the wire that comes in the packaging. I didn't record that. I ordered some loom from Amazon. I will link that below. Comes with a little manual. And one plug goes into each headlight. It's all wired together, so like this. And then one goes into like a tap-in fuse. So I'm gonna put the loom around it because I don't want this damaging. So that's the reason I bought it. So let me do this real quick. Losing daylight. We got one headlight in. Took most of the time trying to figure out where we're gonna route the wiring. I was gonna do it behind and bring it in from the bottom. However, it was too short. I tried to look into videos to see how people were wiring these, but nobody really mentioned it. So the best way I saw to wire this without none of it interfering anything is through the bottom. I'm gonna do it from the very bottom. As you can see, it's hanging right now. So what I found was worked the best. As you can see, it's tucked away. It's not the best, but I'm gonna try to fix this a little bit. But at the moment, you can't really tell because I have it from there going on the. As you can see, the loom is right there. It goes and comes right here for the driver headlight. And then I tucked it in with these wires. As you can see, these wires kind of go under. You can see the loom right there. It goes under the radiator and condenser straight. So I've made it follow that path. I don't know if you can tell, but all these wires, you can see the loom right there, and it comes this way, goes back up there. Guys, so we're back. It's another day. We have the WRX. She's looking better than ever. She's looking great. We got the last piece of the puzzle to put on, which is the bumper. To put the grill back on, the fog lights. I don't know if I mentioned it, but one of the fog lights is broken. It became broken already, which is the passenger. Those are fine. We did get some OEM stuff, which was like some clips for the grill and the bumpers, bolts for the bumper to be held on. Let's see how it goes, and that should be the last of it. She is ready to run. I drove her around yesterday. See it, but I just recently installed the brackets that go under the headlights. The car didn't come with those, and they were broken, I believe. But yeah, let's get to it. She looks brand spanking new. It came back a little later than usual. Went to Lowe's, got me some screws in this size because these were rusted. So this is as close as I got to it. It did make some clicking noises right here. I'm not sure if it was breaking it, but it only clicked once. It's about what, 4 screws down here and 2 up here, so 6 screws in total. Alright, so this is all the parts that I've ordered, 3 receipts of just miscellaneous clips, bolts, and the panel pieces. So these are the pieces that go onto the car, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. So those are the pieces right there and right there. So if you look at front of the car, is right there. So they're broken. I don't know if you can see from in this angle, but they are broken. So there goes one. Look at how rusted that is. Pretty beat. The other one doesn't want to come out. I don't know if it's stripped, but I'm gonna try use this Phillips, because and there's a Phillips. So as you can see, big difference. Brand new and broken. I'm assuming this happened during the accident with this car. This holds on to the bumper down here. We got the last one out. It was pretty difficult because I think the bolt rounded out, and this is the bolt. I don't know what happened, but I rusted out. So I couldn't take it out with the 10mm or Phillips. So I can't say this enough, but these sockets are a lifesaver. They came in clutch a couple times with this car and the Lexus. So definitely get yourself a set. I got it from, I think, Lowe's, this Cobalt kit, and it comes with different sizes. And now we got the bottom clips for it. This is the part number. These two, I don't know these part numbers yet, but I'll put them in the description. They go to the corner of the bumper, which I'm gonna put. Let's put these on. And just like that, it doesn't move. It's held on by those brackets. I don't know if you can see it, but this is one clip, and then that's the bolt. Other than that, we got these bumper clips. Let's put these on real quick. Those go right here in this little slot. Last but not least, we have these, which go into the grill, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, right here. I just realized I didn't record an outro for what I did with the car. Just wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate your guys' support. We're at about 728 subscribers. We're almost at 1,000. So please, please, please drop a comment, leave a like. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Share the videos if you can. It helps with the algorithm. So we're trying to get up there. At the moment, this is all we have for now. We do have a Humble Rumble kit that is going to come because our clutch is a bit squeaky, if you can hear it. Yeah, so we're going to do that. It should be here by Friday. Today is Wednesday, November 1st. I'm glad I caught you guys up with what's been going on with the car. I'm gonna do another video of the review so far. That's all I have for today, and thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys watching to the end, and I'll see you on the next one.